I am going to do a first run through ever of magnetic eyelashes. Okay, so I in the past, I did the extensions. They were beautiful. I woke up and I felt gorgeous every day. I was like, oh my God, it's amazing. But it's cool. You have to spend like $50 to $60 every 2 weeks. It's time consuming. Then you take them off and you look sick. Then I'm like, magnetic? What the? Who the? When the? How does it work? So we're going to try it together. Okay. So I just literally went on Amazon. I typed in magnetic eyelashes and I went with the ones that had prime with the blue arrow and they looked fancy and pretty. These are the two that I picked. This one's called Ulenzi. This is what they look like. And it comes with this. Also, no instructions whatsoever. There are no instructions. Up. What the Okay. There's one. What the fuck am I supposed to do with this now? So I'm assuming... Oh! Look at this! It's magnetic to the thing here. So they probably connect to this, and then they go on your eye and connect to each other. The problem is, how do you... Which way... Like, come on. Who do they think we are that we know what the hell we're doing right now? Don't you think a little info or tutorial for the schmucks like me who have no idea what we're doing would be nice? A picture. Here it comes. Oh God, what do I do? You shape it? This ain't easy. This is stupid. I'm gonna come in close. I got my boobs on the table. I'm afraid. So it just sits like this? What the? Come on. I'm going to watch a tutorial on how to do this, and then I'll do a tutorial myself. So this is the look we're going for. But how the hell do you do it? All right, I'm back. Okay. Yeah. So this is apparently how you do it. You take the eyelash and keep it on the edge a little bit so the edge catches the magnetic. Stick you right there. And then I'm going to stick you... They must be kidding. They must be kidding. They must be kidding because I don't know how you do this. Yeah, okay. I'm never doing this. I watched a video of a girl do this just now and she's like, it's so easy. There's no glue. Give me the freaking glue. Give me the glue. All right, maybe I got to stand up for it. Pull it? Oh my God, this is horrible. This is real. This is real. All of you beauty influencers can kiss my ass. Because it's a lie. You're all lying. Who are you selling this to? The 16-year-old that's got more time than God to be doing this? Yep, that's about right. What are you supposed to do now? Who's going to take my... Ow! Get out of my face. All right, what's this one now? It comes in a fancy box. All right. Epic fail. You know what? I was so excited to do this because I'm like, oh my God, everybody wants magnetic eyelashes, but everybody's like, does it work? No, it doesn't work. Oh, shit. We got a new one. We got a new tweezer. It's gold this time. It's a little bit fancier. Look, they expect you to bring it. It's like a travel thing, too. Like, I'm expect to see what the hell I'm doing on this little mirror here. I can't even do it looking at a full-blown mirror. We got some glue here in the box. See, it comes in a pretty box. Not really. It's plastic. Please be glue. Dear Lord Jesus, be so... Oh, all right. I could work with this. And it has directions on the back. So what does it say? Passed the allergy test before using this product on your eyelid? Should I be concerned? I should be concerned. An allergy test? Rinse out clean water immediately. Product enters the eye by accident. Serious situation. Please go to hospital for treatment. I'm gonna continue to do this. Magnetic eyelashes are not good. They're not good. I see the commercials all the time on the Instagram, right? She's like, these are the best eyelashes around. You throw them on your eye and they're good to go. She's a liar. Don't listen to her. She's a liar. They're all lying to you. They all want to get your money. Done. I'm calling it. I'm done. This is how my eyelashes are going to stay on my eyes. This is ridiculous. Look at this. Look at it. Update. So this is filmed at like a week after I filmed the magnetic eyelash video. Look at this shit. This is actually works. Are you looking at a mirror?
Just a little tiny mirror.
Oh, okay.
I could try to do it with no mirror. Tell me if I'm lined up.
Get real crazy. Go.
Am I lined up?
I don't know. Wow.
Is it? I'm not kidding.
Oh
if
my
I could
God.
do this, anyone could do this. I don't wear makeup. I wear chapstick.
Okay, updated video. So I wound up buying those. They're Tory Bell. These are Tory Bell, and these are called Ladies Night. Okay, so I got the one with the liquid liner, which scares me because I'm terrible with liquid liner. Like, special. Okay. So it says you need to put the liquid liner on first, let it dry, and then to do it again. Twice. All right. Moment of truth. You saw how she just put them on her eyelids like they were no big deal, right? All right. I actually saw it in person, which makes me believe that this can be achieved. Wait a sec here.
Daddy, look what she could do.
Wow. Oh, let's try the other one. Wow. Okay, hold on. Look at this fancy shit here. The big eyelid. Oh, I guess you could pull it. Wow. Come in here, babe. Looks good. Feel like Jello. You know where I'm going tonight? Monster Jam. What the? Like, I couldn't be going someplace fun? Going to Monster Jam? Looking like J-Lo at Monster Jam. I look like a supermodel. Wow. All right, Tory Bell. Tory Bell. Guys. Nate! Come here. Valentina. Come here. No, this is, okay, Tory Bell, magnetic eyelashes saved the day. Put it back. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't look at mommy's eyes. Right? Don't it look good?
No, raining.
What?
Raining.
It's raining?
My eyes are raining.
My eyes are raining? I'll take it as a compliment. I'll let you know how they look after I go through a night of mommying at Monster Jam. Say bye, Becky's.
Bye, Becky.